Hey, what's up guys? We're out here in the Southwest and we're going to take a tour of a model home by Lennar, and let's get started. And this one right here is the Orchestra. It is a 3,278 square foot home. It has 5 bedrooms, 3 baths. So let's get started here. It has this farmhouse design. All right, so you walk into this open foyer here. And then to your right, you have a bedroom downstairs, which is nice. Has these 6-panel doors here. Has a full bathroom. Nice coat closet. This is a great room for the teenager in the house that wants a little separation, or even maybe an in-law suite. And this home is located in the Southwest area. Good size living room. Wow, look at this massive island in the kitchen. Looks like it's a double-sized, super-sized quartz countertop. Nice formal dining room. It has this really nice covered patio incorporated into the floor plan. And it's hard to see this on camera, but this is a massive island. So this thing is huge. It definitely reminds me of a double slab. And I love the way this has no cabinets up there. It brings in that natural light. So it just had like a really modern feel. Has a nice undermount sink. But come and check out this little area here. You can kind of do like a butler's pantry right here. It has a really good size walk-in closet, or not walk-in closet, pantry. Then it has the shaker cabinets throughout. A lot of storage here. Even storage down here, so you have plenty of storage inside here. So if you look at this room, very good sized room, great for entertaining. Then you got access to the garage there. And again, another storage right here. Good size storage. So you put tons of stuff in here. But let's go upstairs and take a look at what's up there. I love the way Lennar does these loft landings, which create an area for you to do pretty much anything. You can do like a media room, game room, study. You have these windows here you can black out, and you can do just this massive TV there. So this is great too. And then you got a laundry room over here. Again, more storage over here. Then you got your washer dryer right here. And then the door, so if you want to keep it nice and clean, always keep this closed. And this 6-panel, or this 5-panel door looks cool. Not so plain looking. Nice size hallway here. And then over here you have a full bath. Double sink here. And you got a full-on tub shower combo with the toilet here. And you got the door for privacy, so someone could be brushing their teeth but then taking a shower as well, especially if you have a lot of kids. Another bedroom here. Got a full-size walk-in closet. Very good size closet. Good size room. A lot of natural light. This room here is off the front. This one seems a little bit longer than the other one. Then you have this nice window that brings in that southern light. Good size room here as well. And then we'll go to the next room and we'll head over to the primary room here in a second. This is a good size room. And this right here looks like it's either a full or a queen. So it's like a day bed, but it's bigger. So it's a good size room. It's just pretty packed in here. So this home is located in the Southwest. It is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, and the builder is Lennar. So if you're interested in a new build, give me a call. They do go very quick. So it's important that you reach out to me and we get you on the priority list so that we can make sure that we can get you in a home. So But yeah, I love this. I definitely love this open concept area here, this loft area. But let's go to the primary room and take a look at that. Wow, this thing is massive. I mean, it's got a full-size couch here. I mean, so you got a California king right here. You got this massive couch. Put a nice TV there. You got these big windows here. So you got these here. So on a nice day, you can open them up, let the air kind of cycle through. But this room, I'm not sure if you can capture this on the camera, but it is huge. All right, let's go take a look at the bathroom. So you got your toilet over here. You got your double vanity, you got your tub and shower combo. What I like about this one is they are using a tile, but the curbing is a little bit lower. So a little bit, you know, easier to get into because it's not so high, but this is nice. You have a little area here. You can put like a little vanity, bring that natural light in, and then you can do your makeup and stuff. But this closet's huge. It's hard to kind of see how big it is, but I would say it's 12, probably 15 by 10, 15 by 8 or so, but it's pretty good size. All right, so if you're interested in new construction, give me a call. I can get you hooked up, get you on the priority list, and then also fight for some closing costs, some incentives by the builder. But the homes here do go very quickly, so we got to get you on the list. So give me a call. My number and information will be below. If you want to learn more about things that happen daily in Bakersfield, follow my social media channels at Skate Agent. You'll see that I do daily activities on there and different things that are related to family, food, and fun. But on my YouTube, you're going to see a lot of tours, a lot of community tours and stuff like that. All right, next house.